Minimal, but it should do something.
Okay.
It's a jutsu.
Do you think, and I'll preface this by saying, I'm pretty sure when Naruto goes into Sage Mode, it takes some chakra startup requirement to go into Sage Mode. I'm pretty sure that's a thing. So,
It's not that it requires chakra, it's that he needs chakra to do it.
sure.
As in, he's not losing chakra by doing it, but if he doesn't have chakra, he would just turn into a frog.
He also needs a large chakra quantity in order to even learn how to do it, but that might just be Fukusaku PTSD
Yeah.
from the dozens of people who failed before. I don't know if that's actually a requirement.
Well, no, it's still true though, because hypothetically, if you have small chakra reserves, you just absorb a proportionate amount of sage energy. That's great. You just don't, you won't have enough. This is kind of dumb because you should still get a benefit, right? That only makes sense. But the way they explain it is, sorry, you just don't have enough for sage mode. You seem to just need a certain quantity of nature energy for it to be quote unquote sage mode. So you need a proportionate amount of chakra.
I mean, I'll be honest, it doesn't make sense.
And also because
the
more you have, the safer it is.
Minato had a crap ton of chakra, if we're being honest. And he can do it like barely, but like it's also explained that for Naruto, it's like Sage Mode is 33% of his chakra quantity when he absorbs it, because it's like his normal chakra, his red chakra, and then Sage Mode. For others, I'm assuming it's half and half.
Explained that, it's just that's how the diagram looks.
Was it even the red chakra, or am I misremembering? What's like his physical energy, mental energy, and Sage Mode? So in that case, it'd be 33% for everyone else as well?
What they did, yeah, it was physical, mental, and nature. They split it up into like a three-way pie.
Yeah, and that's when they do
like 1/3 each.
That's when Naruto does the ice cream swirl, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
It was that chapter.
So it would be for everyone else as well. In this case, Sage Mode would still be 33% of Minato's chakra. It doesn't seem like using Sage Mode abilities like drains Minato of like 33 to 66% of his chakra. It's like,
well, yeah, so it's weird because like basically you have to take, it's not that it's just kind of weird. So
I know you get additional chakra
nature,
but still,
yeah, like what you're really doing is you're just absorbing a nature energy first, and then you balance it with, so let's just say you absorb 1/3 of your chakra's worth.
Yeah.
So really real quick, because you're
so hold on. Let's put numbers to this.
Physical, mental, and nature energies.
Yeah. Let's put
each.
Let's put numbers
physical
to this.
And mental energy is chakra. It's really a 2-to-1 ratio of chakra to nature energy. First off, it's really what it is. So if you absorb a quarter's worth of your chakra and nature energy, you need to balance it with half of your chakra, and that's your sage mode, which will last however long it does.
Yeah. So let's just put it into units. Let's say you have 50 mental energy worth of chakra and 50 physical energy worth of chakra for 100 total chakra. Then you would absorb 50 sage energy of chakra for 150 total chakra to use. For 33% each.
Yeah, you wouldn't actually do it that way, but yeah, in theory.
Okay. Because another way of possibly thinking of it, I don't think this would be how it is, but it's like if you have 33 and 33 of both for 66 total, then you could absorb 33 of nature energy for 99 of total.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But more realistically, what you would be doing, though, let's say you have 100 units of chakra, you would probably be absorbing like 25 nature energy, partitioning 50 of your chakra, or maybe even less. Maybe it's 10 and 20 is what you would actually be doing.
Yeah. Because when you are in sage mode, you're using mostly sage chakra, not your own chakra.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, like you're like, oh shoot, half my chakra's gone. What I use my sage jutsu there. That's never how it is. Mm-hmm. So that implies you're not actually absorbing that much nature energy by comparison. They don't give us like numbers to say when you turn into a frog, so we don't really know, but
okay.
Yeah.
Anyways, going back to Zetsu's jutsu. Well, actually, we'll okay, real quick. Do you think Zetsu has nature energy? There's no evidence in the series either way at all, I don't think. It's just, do you think so?
So it depends. If you want to use Zetsu's line that the land is him, he should just be nature energy.
I mean, the Ten Tails is nature energy, which was Kaguya, which Kaguya spit him
Exactly.
out.
So it's like he should be, but then he should be stronger.
Well, I don't know about stronger, but I mean, I'm not gonna say he was weak per se, but
He should have been stronger anyway, no matter what
okay,
no matter how you slice it.
sure.
That's just my feelings towards it.
Um,
But
okay. So, okay, real quick, before going back to Zetsu's abilities, because this is something I was gonna question as well. The Ten Tails is pure nature energy. Is the Divine Tree pure nature energy as well? I'm assuming so.
well, maybe not because it devours an Atsuki, and because of that, ironically, the divine tree might be sage mode. But look, that perspective.
Yeah, because it's absorbing not nature energy, but regular chakra from all the people on the
It's
earth.
like reverse sage mode, yeah.
Yeah, so
It's human mode.
but then okay.
It's the Fukasaku human mode that we were joking about that time. That's literally the divine
Literally, yeah.
human
Okay.
sage mode.
Okay, real quick. If Naruto entered Sage mode and then was absorbed by the Divine Tree, would the Divine Tree take his normal chakra, leaving him with just his Sage chakra, which I think would just turn him into a frog?
Well, you know what? Actually, an interesting theory that does. Oh, okay. I'm gonna say this and explain why it doesn't make sense. But what would be interesting is that the Zetsuification is. I'll make a wait right away to make it work. But hypothetically, maybe the divine tree absorbs its chakra, and it gives it nature energy. That's why it turns into what it does: a humanoid-looking tree, or a tree-looking human. That could be how that works.
I mean,
So
another
now
way.
in this case, the problem is he absorbed toad energy specifically. So what he might be in that case is like a treeified toad.
So the Ten Tails